This is Hercules, our very amazing rider.
Hey, are you guys having a good time so far?
Red saddle. He doesn't have any of that brown coloration that you saw in the first two tigers, and he also doesn't have any of the black striping. Now this type of coloration would enable this animal to fit into a red clay